कौन सा था? प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए ना। तो वो दबा कौन सा था नंबर?
Today it's 14th January 2021 and the first day of our journey. आज पहला दिन है और घड़ी में 6 बज रहे हैं और we will be starting first time for before time. The target was to start at 7 o'clock मगर हम most likely 6:30 बजे तक के पहले ही निकल जाएंगे. So having पोहा and waiting for tea.
हो रहा है ना? ऑन करना से प्ले नहीं हो रहा अभी। इसको भी प्ले करना पड़ेगा। प्ले अभी नहीं हो रहा ना? है यहाँ दिखा रहा है प्ले का साइन, वो रिकॉर्डिंग का साइन दिखा रहा है। नहीं वो ये यहाँ पे इसमें दिखा रहा है बढ़ते हुए। यहाँ क्या दिखा रहा है? कैमरा दिखा रहा होगा ना?
नहीं कैमरा
बढ़ रहा है। हाँ तो हो गई रिकॉर्डिंग। चलो इंटरकॉम कौन सा वाला था? 1 नंबर था क्या? कौन सा था? प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए ना। तो वो दबा कौन सा था नंबर? इस वाले से कनेक्टेड था अपना।
बी
मंदिर किधर से होते जाएंगे? वेट मोड़ लेता हूँ। चलो 7:15 बज गए निकलते निकलते। So we'll go to the temple and then from ये उसमें अच्छा सेट नहीं हो रहा है। पुराने वाले में सही सेट हो रहा था। पीछे का तुमको स्टेबल लग रहा है? हाँ ठीक है। एक बीप में स्टार्ट होती है कि 2 बीप में स्टार्ट होती है? हो रही है मिरर में देख सकते ना, मिरर भी सेट करना पड़ेगा। इस बार थोड़ा ज़्यादा केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा, हाँ सामान ज़्यादा है ना, तुमको भी थोड़ा सा। Morning 7:30 and we are about to start or exit Raipur. So plan was to start sharp at 7 o'clock. We thought that we will be able to start early, in fact today by 6:30. Magar by the time everything got sorted out, being a first day on a bike ride, it takes time to come into the grooves with your gears, and when you are not used it for a long time, so getting used to it takes time, with especially with so many gadgets. And so here we are now going towards the Jagdalpur road. Very large speed breaker. So this time our luggage has increased by about say 40% from the previous trip. So the bike has become heavier and mounting it was difficult, or rather challenging, so could sort it out and all set. Bike is a bit heavy, getting used to will take a day's time, or rather couple of hours. So our first stop today is at Kaker Palace, targeting to reach there about 10 o'clock or 10:30 probably. So that's the time we have given to Mr. Jolly there, who is the brother of the current Maharaja, and he takes care of the place, and this is the first time we'll be meeting him. So we will take his intro and we'll get to know more about him. He himself is a rider, so he can understand us much better. Raipur se towards left is Rajim and Champaran. Champaran is a very sacred place for Gujaratis and Rajasthani people who come to visit there. I think across India se aate hain log. And this road will go via Dhamtari to Kaker. Then our first destination today is Jagdalpur, or rather just before Jagdalpur we'll be stopping over at the waterfall, Chitrakoot waterfall. So there is a Dandami resort from Chhattisgarh tourism, and we will be this road goes towards Naya Raipur. So we are traveling towards east from Raipur. will be revealing about the journey over the course of the travel. For now, the plan is that today is 14th and this is our first day, and it's a 10-day journey. Rather, 10th day morning we'll be back at Raipur. So that's the plan. This road is being converted into 4 lanes, so all work is ongoing. Looks like there has been some accident here, so it's blocking the road. Oops. This road has quite a lot of traffic, truck traffic, and still it's not 4 lane, so completely 4 lane, and bits and pieces it's 4 lane. It's okay, this time of the day not that busy. So we just crossed Abanpur, and the next town would be Dhamtari. Dhamtari is also a good place to visit from Raipur. It's about 80-90 kilometers and it has a Gangrel Dam, which is quite a large dam just after from where Mahanadi starts.